Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Math. Today we are going to find out the value of square root of minus 1. As we know, the square root of minus 1 is I. So the question here is we need to find out the square root of I. Let us consider square root of I is equal to A plus B I, where A and B both are real numbers. Now let us square both the side of the equation. Hence we can write this as square root of I whole square is equal to A plus bi whole square. So we can write this as square root of I whole square. It will become I is equal to, as this is A plus B whole square, we can write A square plus B square, that is bi whole square plus 2ab, 2 into A and B is bi. So we can write this as I is equal to, this is A square plus B square I square plus 2ab, and we know that value of I square is minus 1. Hence we can simplify this equation as A square minus B square plus 2ab, 0 plus 1I is equal to A square minus B square plus 2ab. Hence comparing both the sides of the equation, we can say that A square minus B square is equal to 0 and 2ab is equal to 1. From here we can say A is equal to 1 by 2b. Now let us put the value of A in this equation and we can write this as A square means 1 by 2b whole square minus b square is equal to 0. We can write this as 1 by 4 b square minus b square is equal to 0. Let us solve this equation and we can write the LCM as 4b square and we can write the numerator as 1 minus 4b square into b square is equal to 0, and then we can write it as 1 minus 4b to the power 4 is equal to 0, or we can write 4b to the power 4 is equal to 1, and we can write it here as b to the power 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Now let us solve the value of b here. Let us do the square root on both the sides of the equation. Then we can write the square root of b to the power 4, it will become b square, and the square root of 1 by 4, I am taking here only the positive value because here we are seeing that it is a square. If we will take the negative value, that is minus 1 by 2, then the value of b is imaginary number, but b should be a real number. Hence we are taking only the positive value of b square. Again, when we do the square root of b square, then it will become b, and the square root of 1 by 2 we can write it as plus minus 1 by root 2. As from the above we know the value of a is equal to 1 by 2b, a is equal to 1 by 2b, that is 1 divided by 2 into plus minus 1 by root 2. Now dividing 2 with square root, we have square root, and then we can write the value of a as plus minus 1 by square root. One important thing we need to understand that the multiplication of a and b is a positive number. It means both a and b either negative numbers or both a and b are positive numbers. Hence, as we have already considered that square root of I is equal to a plus bi. Now we need to replace the value of a and b. Now we can write the solution as square root of I is equal to a plus bi is equal to the value of a is a positive value, that is 1 by root 2, plus b is also a positive value, that is 1 by root 2i, or we can write as a as a negative value, that is minus 1 by root 2, plus b as a negative value, that is minus 1 by root 2i. Hence, this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.